All right, in this equation, we are to determine the general solution of this equation. So what do? We need to find a way to change the one of these trig ratios so that we deal with the uniform trig ratio. It's either we change this one if it's possible, or we change this one if it's possible. Now let's just change the what, the value, the cos one. How to change a double angle of cos? So you need to remember that cos 2x is equal to three identities that equal to each other. So cos 2x can be changed to be sine squared x minus sine squared x, or you have 1 minus 2 sine squared x, or you have 2 cos squared x minus 1. So you take any of these ones as long as it is going to help you to eliminate one of the trig ratios that are given. So in this case, this one is suitable for this equation because you want to change the sign to be in terms of cos. If you take this one, you won't get rid of cos. If you take this one, they still cos them. So it is wise to take this second one because you want to get rid of what? Of cos. Anyway, you want to deal with just sine. Now, let's get into it. Changing this one is going to be giving us what? 1 minus 2 sine squared x. Then minus 4 sine x plus 5. This is equal to 0. So what we do, we collect the like terms and we have negative 2 sine squared x, then minus 4 sine x, then plus 6 is equal to 0. So we can even divide by negative 2 throughout to obtain the positive coefficient of x of sine squared. So we'll be having plus 2 sine x, then minus 3. This is going to be equal to 0. We just divided by negative 2 throughout. Divide by negative 2 so that everything changes the sign, and we're trying to work with smaller numbers, the small manageable numbers. Now, having this one, you can see that you can factorize this quadratic equation in trigonometry. Now, the factors of the first term is sine x and sine x. The factors of the last term is 3 and 1. And of course, when you add 3 from negative 1, you are going to get 2. Then this is what you have. So let's continue, which means sine x is equal to 1, or sine x is equal to negative 3. But this one on its own it is not defined because the range of sine, it range about negative 1 plus minus, then therefore to positive 1. If it is above 1 or above or below negative 1, it's not going to be a solution for it. So this one, sine x, can never be equal to 3. Now let's come to this one. So we'll be having we're going to be having x is equal to sine that. So we have just 1. So of course, so we have to say plus or 360 k, where k is an element of integers. So sine that, it is equal to 90. It is equal to 90 plus 360 and what? K. So this is what we have. So if that is the case, then we also have another one that take us to second quadrant, which is 180 minus the very same reference angle, which means this is just our general solution. We can't go any further from here. So this is our general solution for this one. The reason why this one is undefined, there is no solution for this one because it is not found in the range of what? Of sine x. Sine x cannot be greater than 1 or less than negative 1. It has to be within that range. So that is why this one did not give us any of the solutions that we were looking for. So thank you for watching. You can comment down below in the comment section if there is anything that you would want to add or anything that you want to ask pertaining mathematics in general. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.